Hey everyone, welcome to HA Labs. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use our UK take-home pay calculator for the tax year 2025-2026. This tool will hopefully help you estimate your take-home pay and give you an understanding of all how the key deductions work. And those deductions include your income tax, national insurance contribution, employee pension contributions, student loan repayments, and any other regular deductions from your salary. We'll enter some key basic information that are needed to calculate this information. It's the gross amount you earn, so that's the amount before any key deductibles. In this scenario, I'm going to use 55,000. Then you put your tax code in. This is usually 4 digits and a letter. If you're unsure what your tax code is or where to find it, check the HMRC website for further information. In this scenario, I'm going to use the standard code 1257. Yours could be different depending on your personal circumstances. For example, how much you earn, usually above £100,000. If you have more than one job, or if you owe tax from prior tax years. Employee pension contribution. This is the amount you personally contribute towards your pension. In this case, I'm going to use 2%. And then your student loan. If you started your course before 1st of September 2012, that's usually plan 1. And if you started between 1st of September 2012 and 31st of July 2023, usually plan 2. For any further information, please check the student loan website. In this case, I'm going to go plan 1. Then any other deductions you have that hasn't been listed above, you enter that in the below section and select the frequency. So now, I'm going to select the frequency for the gross amount, 55,000. That's definitely a yearly amount, as I'm not a footballer. As you can see, all the information is populated for you. You have your gross amount figure there. Then you have your personal allowance for the tax year. There's the pension contribution, which is a percentage of your gross salary. You take those 2 deductibles out of your gross salary, and that gives you the total taxable pay. That's the figure that HMRC uses to calculate your income tax. So, income tax deductions. There's the basic rate tax, which is anything between 12,570 and 5270. This is taxed at 20%. And anything you have left over goes into the higher rate tax bracket, which is between 5270 and 12540. Now this is taxed at 40%. And if you're a higher salary earner, you've probably got a little bit extra. This is the additional rate tax. This is anything above 125 or 140. This is taxed at 45%. Now you tally out those 3 figures, that gives you your estimated income tax. Next, employee national insurance contribution. The threshold here is 12,570. Anything you earn up to that figure doesn't incur any tax deductions. Now, anything you earn above that figure, up to 5270, that's taxed at 80%. And anything above that, taxed at 2%. Then your total estimated employee national insurance contribution, combination of those figures, that gives you your balance. Moving on, estimated employee pensions. That's just a percentage of your gross salary. In this scenario, that's 2%, £5,000. And then student loan. The threshold varies depending on the plan. Anything you earn above those thresholds, deduction is at 9%. The 9% charge is on the difference between the 55,000 and the threshold for plan 1. We haven't selected any deductions, so that section is blank. And finally, your estimated take-home pay is the difference between the 55,000 gross amount and your grand total deductions, which is that figure, and the template gives you the yearly amount, the monthly amount, and your weekly amount. So that's how it works. If you found this helpful, please like the video. And if you've learned quite a few things you didn't previously know, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Drop your questions in the comments, we'd love to help. Also, be sure to check out our other finance and Excel tutorial videos here at HA Labs. To download this free calculator, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.